Did you know that one tiny item in your suitcase could get you kicked off a cruise ship before you even leave the port, or slapped with a massive fine? Today, I'm revealing 20 everyday things cruise lines desperately hope you pack by mistake. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning a cruise in 2025 or beyond, you gotta hit that subscribe button right now. We're all about those real talk tips that save you money, time, and total embarrassment at the pier. Today, we're diving into the 20 items that are banned or super restricted on pretty much every major cruise line. Think Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Norwegian, Celebrity, Princess, you name it. These aren't just suggestions. Pack them and security will snag them faster than you can say all aboard. I've watched people argue with security, unpack their bags in front of everyone, and even miss the ship over this stuff. So let's count them down from 20 to 1, and I'll tell you exactly why they're off limits and what happens if you try anyway.
Number 20, surge protectors, and any power strips with surge protection. Okay, starting us off, that handy power strip you grab off Amazon labeled Cruise Approved. Read the tiny print, folks. If it has surge protection built in, it's a hard no on Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Norwegian, Celebrity, basically everybody. Why? These things can overload the ship's old-school electrical systems and spark a fire. Fire at sea is literally the crew's worst nightmare. Non-surge USB charging hubs are usually fine, but anything with surge tech gets confiscated and held till the end of the trip.
Number 19. Travel routers, Wi-Fi repeaters, or any personal networking devices. You know those little pocket routers people use to share one Wi-Fi login with the whole family? Royal Caribbean and Carnival both added these in the last year, calling them a cybersecurity threat. They can mess with the ship's own network, interfere with navigation signals, or let people bypass paying for extra devices. Security's scanning for them now. If they spot one, it's gone for the whole cruise. Pro tip, just buy the multi-device package up front. It's cheaper than losing your gadget.
Number 18. Drones. Dreaming of epic aerial footage over turquoise water? Unless the port specifically allows it, and most don't, leave the drone at home. Royal Caribbean, Carnival, and Norwegian all say you can bring it, but it gets locked up with security the entire sailing. Fly it near the ship, huge fines, possible confiscation forever, and you could endanger balconies or even the helicopter pad. Not worth it. Use your phone or the ship's photographer instead.
Number 17. Candles, incense, or anything with an open flame. Even those cute battery-operated flickering candles raise eyebrows these days. Real flames? Absolute no across the board. Fire is enemy number 1 on a cruise ship. One spark in a cabin and it spreads fast with all that wind. Lines like Princess and Disney are extra strict. Even birthday candles get the boot. Go flameless or ask guest services for a special exception if it's a big celebration. Number 16. Clothing irons and garment steamers. I get it. Nobody wants wrinkled formal night outfits, but bringing your own iron or steamer? Banned everywhere because of the massive fire risk from heating elements. Ships have self-service laundry rooms with irons you can use for free, or cheap pressing service. I've seen people try hiding travel irons in socks. Doesn't work. X-ray catches them every time.
Number 12, baby monitors, especially wireless ones. This one breaks parents' hearts, but Royal Caribbean officially banned them because the radio signals can interfere with the ship's critical communication and navigation systems. Other lines are quiet, but often follow suit. Use the ship's babysitting services, in-cabin sitters, or good old walkie-talkies if allowed. Heartbreaking, I know. I've heard the stories.
Number 14. CBD products. Oil, gummies, vapes, anything. Even if it's zero THC and legal back home, cruise ships fall under federal maritime law, so CBD is traded like cannabis. Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Disney, all ban it outright. Drug dogs at some ports sniff it out, and getting caught can mean denied boarding
or kicked off mid-cruise. Stick to your doctor's prescription meds and leave the CBD at home.
Number 13. Hard liquor and beer. One sealed 750 milliliter bottle of wine or champagne per adult, usually okay on embarkation day. But that bottle of vodka or a six-pack? Confiscated at security and locked up until the last night. Try sneaking it in a fake shampoo bottle? Yeah, people still try, and you risk getting turned away entirely. Buy it on board or in port if you really need it.
Number 15. Hoverboards, self-balancing scooters, and electric skateboards. Remember when these were blowing up, literally, because of battery fires? Still banned fleet-wide on every major line. Regular mobility scooters for medical reasons are totally fine. Just register ahead. But the fun recreational ones? Nope. Lithium batteries plus ocean equals too risky.
Number 11. Bluetooth speakers, portable speakers, and boomboxes. Carnival led the charge here because too many people were blasting music on the Lido deck, balconies, or even Serenity, ruining the vibe for everyone. Now it's banned shipwide. They'll hold it till disembarkation. Use headphones or enjoy the ship's DJ. Peace and quiet wins. Number 10. Regular extension cords, even without surge protection. Royal Caribbean and Celebrity went full ban on all cords. Too many tripping hazards and electrical quirks. Some lines like Carnival still allow plain ones, but why risk it? Grab a cruise-approved USB hub instead. Number 9. Self-defense items like pepper spray, tasers, or martial arts weapons. Legal on land? Doesn't matter at sea. Anything that could be seen as a weapon gets confiscated. Even expandable batons or kubotans. Leave the protection to the ship's security team. Number 8. Ham radios, satellite phones, and signal jammers. Anything that transmits a strong signal can screw with the bridge's equipment. Royal Caribbean lumps these with baby monitors for the same reason. No interfering with navigation or comms. Number 7. Electric kettles, coffee makers, hot plates, or any heating appliance. No brewing your own tea or cooking ramen in the cabin. Massive fire risk from those heating coils. Ships want you buying Starbucks in the cafe. That's the real reason, let's be honest. Number 6. Illegal drugs and obvious paraphernalia. Duh, but people still try hiding gummies or vapes. Drug dogs at embarkation are no joke. Instant denial of boarding and possible police involvement.
Number 5. Firearms, ammo, knives over 4 inches, and realistic replicas. Not even airsoft guns that look real. Small pocket knives are usually okay if the blade's under 4 inches and not locking or tactical. Number 4. Large, hard-sided coolers. Soft, collapsible ones for medication are fine, but that big igloo for sodas and snacks? Banned. Takes up too much space and becomes a tripping hazard.
Number 3. High wattage or non-approved hair tools. Most curling irons and blow dryers are okay now, but some older ships still confiscate super high wattage ones that could trip breakers. Always check your specific ship's rules.
Number 2. Upside-down pineapples or known swinger symbols on doors. Carnival started removing these to keep things family-friendly. The upside-down pineapple is code for "we're swingers." Regular pineapples are fine, but flipped, crew will take it down quick.
Number 1. Anything that produces heat, sparks, or open flame. The ultimate no-no. This catches everything else. Hookahs, space heaters, even some e-cig models on certain lines. Fire safety is non-negotiable at sea. One incident and the whole vacation's ruined for thousands. There you have it, folks. The 20 things that'll get you stopped cold at security in 2025 and beyond. Print this list, screenshot it, whatever. Just don't learn the hard way.
All right, cruise fam. Now you're officially smarter than 99% of the people lining up at the terminal. Save this video, share it with your travel buddies, and tell me in the comments, Which one of these shocked you the most? Ever had something taken away? Spill the tea! If this helped you out, smash that like button. It means the world. Subscribe and ring the bell for more no BS cruise tips. And next up, 25 genius packing hacks that still work in 2025. See you in the next one. Smooth sailing.